Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Trainline promo codes in 2024. So in order to do that, you'll have to open your web browser. You can use your computer or you can also use your phone. It doesn't matter. And you have to search for Trainline promo code. So you'll have to search for this website, Daily Mail, which in my case is the first option right here. And you can see that we have right here a list with a different type of discount codes. Some of them are verified. You'll need to use this one with the blue color, because if you scroll down a little, you will see this one right here, which are expired. So if you want to get the 60% off, let's say, you have to select the get deal option right here. And this promotion doesn't require a promo code. So if you're going to the Trainline store, your discount will be automatically applied to your purchase. So you can go back to the website right here and scroll through all these promotions and find the best one for you. And you can also go to your main search on Google, and you should be able to find to scroll through these all websites right here, and you should be able to find this retrieve.com, which I suggest you and recommend you to use. And right here we have some different promo codes, as you can see. So if you want to get this 33% off, you can select the copy code right here, and this is our coupon code, which we can use on our purchase in order to get that discount. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.